Andrea Brillantes is officially a kapatid. I-expect nyo na bibida siya sa mga pelikulang ihahatid po ng MQuest Ventures very, very soon. At para po bigyan ng muka ang balita, Mobile Journal, Jazz Paredes.
Shining bright and brilliant ang pinakabagong kapatid na makakasama ng MQuest Ventures na si Andrea Brillantes. From iconic roles to being a beauty entrepreneur, ready to step into a new era si Andrea Brillantes. Makakasama na siya sa mga movies ng MQuest Ventures. Present sa contract signing sa MediaQuest Holdings Chairman of the Board Manny V. Pangilinan, President and CEO Jane Jimenez Basas, First Vice President for Special Projects Shena Olaso, at MediaQuest Artist Agency Head Jeffrey Remillo.
Well, I'm really excited. First of all, I'm really grateful to be here at may bago akong family sa MQuest, and yun, excited lang talaga ako to do more films.
We are at MQuest Ventures, of course, are very delighted and very happy to welcome our newest kapatid, Andrea Brillantes, sa pamilya na unti-unting lumalaki at sumasaya, and we're very, very honored that she has actually signed a multi-project deal with us, starting with movies that we have lined up for her in the next couple of years. This is just a beginning and a very, very good start.
Sa partnership na ito, mapapasabak daw si Andrea sa iba't ibang genre. Ready na nga raw siya na mag-transform from teleserye princess to box office queen.
Ito ako actually nag-start, extra lang ako. As in talagang tumatakbo lang ako, di ako kita sa background. So ngayon I'm really excited na mas mag-explore, try ang action. Kasi na-enjoy ko sa Batang Quiapo. Feeling ko may potential ako maging action star joke. So action, siguro romance, drama, lahat. Of course, tagal ko ng artista, simula bata ko. And yun, parang I just really wanna explore more sa films. Kasi iba pa rin ng big screen.
For now, heto muna ang patikim sa mga aabangang projects ni Andrea sa MQuest.
Some are rom-coms, some meron konting action, may iba-ibang genre which we feel are very much appropriate to her personality.
Mga kapatid, Mobile Journal Jazz Paredes po hatid ang muka ng balita.